Control structures. So statements can be a single statements or a group of statements enclosed within the flower braces or a block of statements. Sequencing. This is the straightforward execution of statements in the order they appear. Each statement is executed one after other in sequence. Selection. This involves making decisions in the code. Common constructs for selection are the if statement, else statement, switch statement, etc. These allow the program to choose between different paths of execution based on conditions. Repetition. It is also called looping. This type of control structure involves repeating a set of statements multiple times. Common loop constructs include for, while, and do while loops. They help in executing block of code repeatedly until a certain condition is met. Jump statements. It allows altering the normal flow of control. Examples include break, continue, and return statements. Sequencing. For example, if you want to print the three particular statements, for example, this is the first statement, this is second statement, and this is the third statement. So each and every time, instead of printing first, second, and third, so you can able to use a for loop or while loop. You can able to print which is first, second, third, and as many times you can able to include. So here the sequencing means a sequence of statements will be executed. If you want iterative, so then you will be using a loops. If else, so here if is a condition, we are going to check by certain assertion. For example, you are going to check the condition. If the condition is true, the statement will be executed. Else, so if it is not true, the statement 2 will be executed. So likewise, you can able to execute if else statement. Here you are having an example program. In this program, the name of the class is if else. By using this scanner, you are going to accept the input through the keyboard. Scanner object name is scanner equal to new scanner system.in is going to accept the value through the keyboard. The user should know, so he has to enter a number. For that, you are going to ask enter a number. So now by the whatever the number he has entered, it should be an integer type, so you have declared a integer number, and the number you are going to accept through the scanner should be stored and assigned to this particular number by using a scanner object scanner dot nextInt. So it is going to store the number under the number. So here the criteria is you are going to check number is greater than 5. So whatever the number you are going to enter is greater than 5, so then it is going to print the number is greater than 5. Else, so if you have entered the value less than 5, then this particular statement will be executed. The number is not greater than 5. So finally you are going to close this scanner. So if you are not going to close this scanner also, it is also executed. So let us execute this particular program. So here it is going to ask enter a number. I am going to enter a number 10. So here it has resulted number is greater than 5. For example, I am going to run again this particular program. Enter a number is 3. So it is going to show the number is not greater than 5. Next one is nested if. Nested if statement allow you have an if statement within another if statement. So this is often used when you need to check multiple conditions in a hierarchical manner. So next one is dangling else. So this problem arises when there is a multiple if and else statements nested and it's not clear to which if else belongs to. So here next one is else if ladder. So here in this else if ladder, here you will be executing a condition 1 statement 1 if the condition 2 statement 2 else statement n. Here you are going to check the if the condition 1 is true, the statement 1 will be executed. Else, so this is failed, so else again you are going to check the condition 2, statement 2 will be executed. So if these two statements are failed, it is going to execute the statement n, so which will be default if two statements are failed. Nested if program. So here you are having a nested if program. In a similar manner, you are going to ask the user to enter a number. So here whatever the number is greater than 0, So it is going to print the number is a positive number. So here again it should be positive number. So again it is going to check the number will be modulo divided by 2 equal to 0. So if it is equal to 0, then it is going to print an it is a even number. Else it is going to print an odd number. Else if the user has entered a number less than 0, so then it is going to print a negative number. Else it is going to print a number is 0. So finally you are going to close the scanner. Let us execute this particular program. The name of the program is nested if example. So I am going to copy the nested if example. So I'll click the project and create a Java class. So name of the program is nested if example. So now I have finished executing. So now I am going to copy the name of the program. So now I have pasted this particular program and run the program. So here it is going to ask enter a number 5. So 5 it is going to show the number is positive number and it is an odd number. Again I will run this particular program and again it is going to ask enter a number -5. So it has shown the number is negative number. So now again I will run the program, enter a number 0. So the number you have entered is 0. So it has identified. So in this manner you can able to execute the nested if example. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.